In this video, we're going to show you how to reset your web password from the front of the controller. You may need to do this if you've changed your web login away from KE2 Therm's default of KE2 admin and you've forgotten what you changed it to. The first thing you're going to need to do is use the left or right arrows to get to the manual menu. Then you're going to use the down arrow. Enter password will appear if you've not already logged into the controller. Press the enter button. Change each digit to a 2. 2222 is the controller's login. Then again, press and hold enter until the 2's disappear. And then scroll through the menu until you see web password reset. When you see web password reset, press the enter button. It'll scroll reset. Press and hold the enter button. Till manual menu is on the controller. Then you know your web password's been reset. Now you can return to your web page and use the default KE2 admin for both the username and password. For more information, please visit our website or contact our tech support, and we'll be glad to help.